Hello! If you want to slow down a clip in Audacity, that is really easy. First of all, you need a clip, so you either drag and drop it here or you create one. Hello! This is a clip that I am creating. Hello! This is a clip that I am creating. So, if you want to slow down, you just have to select everything, double click or select dragging what you want, click on effect and go to change speed. Click, and here you can increase the speed and slow it down. It's going to really slow it down. Please pay attention that once you slow it down, the pitch is going to be lower. So basically you will hear the voice lower, in a lower tone of voice. Here's what I mean. Hello, this is a clip that I am creating. So the voice now is slower. That is what happens. And yeah, this is how you slow down a voice in Audacity. You can fix this and increase the pitch if that is what you want. There are other ways to do it. So that is it. That is how you slow down a clip of audio in Audacity.